everyone, I'm Wago Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, Wago stands for When You Get Old. Yay, I am super excited. I have received my June Allure beauty box kind of late in the month. Well, for Allure. For comparing it to Ipsy, she is super early. The Allure beauty box is a $25 a month beauty subscription where you get 6+ products. 3 are guaranteed to be full size, and the other products are travel or deluxe sample sizes. A couple times a year, we will get to actually select our product. Sometimes it means picking a shade. Other times it means selecting amongst 3 or so products that the brand has to offer. The box comes with a pamphlet, which will include the full-size item prices. And I'm smelling a perfume or something with a very strong floral scent. So enough rambling, let's dive in and figure out what smells so good. Although the more I'm getting a waft of the scent, it's giving high, strong notes of rose. All right, so let's grab the first product, which is ginormous and weighs a ton. This is the product I was able to select. This is from Christophe Robin, and it's the Delicate Volumizing Conditioner. Oh, with rose extracts. Wait, is this what I'm smelling? Yes. Oh my goodness. Of course it smells like rose. That's okay. If it conditions my hair, I will put up with that scent. Although I wonder if it's going to linger, because it is very, very, very strong. I can't remember what the other 2 products were that I could have selected from, but let's just say I'm really not into hair care, and getting a conditioner, I want to say, was the best choice for me. But if I was smart and took a screenshot, I will float it on screen now. So what does this retail for? They actually are listing like a bunch of their products. Something will float it on screen with the exact price, but I think this is $42. So there you go. $25 box. Product number 1 has already paid for the box. All right, the next item is also a very large squeezy tube. This here is from Face Reality. I say that with a question mark in the tone of my voice because I've never heard of this brand. This is the Barrier Balance Creamy Cleanser. It's a daily calming wash. All right, this is 6 fluid ounces or 180 ml. When it comes to face washes, they're not the most exciting product to get in a box, at least in my opinion. However, it is the type of product that I know I eventually will use. And this bad boy isn't super expensive, but not super cheap either. It's $35. This next product, we have something I want to say, let's see. Yep, the packaging. When you unbox enough of these, you start recognizing the packaging. This here is from Earth Harbor, and it's the Tidal Rose. What is up with rose? Is it because it's June and summer, or I don't know. Tidal Rose what? Seaweed Hydration Mist. Rose water plus red seaweed. Those are 2 things that are both natural, roses and seaweed, that not in a million years would I have thought to put together. All right, I'm going to assume this is a sample size. Hold on, let me grab the booklet, because usually with mists or sprays, it's a lot larger than this, but that is typical size of a Earth Harbor like serum. All right, even though you have rose, how rosy are you going to smell? And what is the mister like? Okay, it's fine-ish, but you keep feeling little globs. So, okay, compared to that conditioner, very light on the rose. It has rose, don't get me wrong. That conditioner was very, very strong. Okay, so this is a travel size. Full size is 60 ml and retails for $16. This is a 20 ml sample. All right, the next product is from Floss, and this is Rise Above. Don't know what that is. It's in black. I'm going to guess based off of the shape of the box and the color that this is going to be a mascara, but let's see if I'm totally correct. Yes, This is the Rise Above mascara. Has a pretty standard wand. I don't know why I opened that up considering I'm not going to be using that. Apologies to anyone who receives this as a gift or in a giveaway. That retails for $22, and I'm going to assume it's not waterproof because normally when stuff's waterproof, it will be blue or something on there will like call out waterproof. Yeah, it's just a regular mascara. And not that I'm dissing on regular mascara. I just personally have very watery eyes and only wear waterproof. All right, what else did we get? So this here is a little sample from a brand called Phase It, and it's an ingrown hair bikini patch. What? Never heard of such a thing. So it extracts and fades dark spots. I'm laughing or smiling because dark spots, yes, you want to fade them, like when they're on your face. If you have a bikini spot that usually your bikini covers, why? Wait, what? Maybe I've been married too long, or that just made me laugh. Okay, so it's a hydrocodone, lactic acid, niacinamide, and azelaic acid. And you get 6 patches, which for your face, that sounds wonderful, but this is for your bikini area. Interesting. Let me know if you have ever thought about covering up or repairing or making the dark spot from your bikini area go away. And if you have, I'm not laughing at you. I'm just trying to picture myself, which is quite hilarious, dealing with something like that. All right, so the retail price is $19.99 for 12 patches, and we got 6. So $10 on this product. All right, and then the last product, we have somewhat of a frequent flyer, at least with the brand. This is from Belif, and this is the True Cream Aqua Bomb. I say frequent flyer because I know for a fact I've received products from the Aqua Bomb in Allure before. Yeah, although this is slightly bigger, not full size, but the box kind of makes you think, ooh, I'm going to get something much, much bigger. But I know I've gotten smaller than this. And what's funny or ironic or kind of sad is that I don't think I've ever tried Aqua Bomb. I get them all the time, but they're small, so I just kind of toss them aside for if and when I travel. And guess who doesn't travel much? Yeah. All right. So this is 10 ml. Full size is 50 ml and retails for $38. All right, so this is a typical or standard box from Allure. If you're interested, I do have a referral code down below. You'll save $10, and I will get like a $10 credit in their store if you decide to use it. If not, no worries, but use somebody's code so you can save yourself some money. Allure is not heavy on makeup, although every now and again we get some really good stuff. It is more skincare heavy and hair care, as well as you get a broad range of products, but mostly I'd say skincare. So if you enjoy skincare, you cannot beat this box. $25 a month, as you saw the very first product I shared, more than paid for the box. And the brands that come in this box are spectacular. All right, let's recap everything I got in the June 2024 Allure Beauty Box. I got a face wash from Face Reality, a hydration mist from Earth Harbor, the True Cream Aqua Bomb from Belif, some ingrown hair bikini patches from Phase It, the Rise Above mascara from Floss, and a volumizing conditioner from Christophe Robin. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, again, Allure. You cannot beat the products and brands you get for $25. Is this my favorite box? No. Is it the worst box I've ever received? Not even close. Although as of late, this is my least favorite box. Mainly, there's just, I don't use regular mascara, so this will go in a giveaway. One of these days, I need to try this moisturizer from Belif. Rose scented things, not the best. Plus this although it's a good size, I can toss it in a travel bag. I was excited to be able to pick the hair care product because, I don't use styling products or hair oils. This is a conditioner, however, very, very strongly scented with rose, but I will still give it a try. Face wash, yes, I will definitely use. And then this product here, I'm gonna have to read what the ingredients are. I'm wondering if it's like so strong that no, only use it in the South Pole, or could you use it on your face? I'm guessing not. I'm gonna list the MSRP total value of this box. From just looking in the booklet, I'm fairly certain the value will be at least $125, if not higher. And you always get a good value with the Allure box. But now I want to hear from you. Let me know. What do you think of this product? And would you be excited to use it? Or have you used something like this and does it really work? Have you heard of this brand, Face Reality? I have not. And by the way, this is ginormous for a face wash. I'm used to getting those smaller kind of squeezy tubes, and those last me forever. If you love the scent of rose, leave me a rose emoji. And if you don't, leave me a thumbs up because we're besties. I don't know why I don't like the scent of rose. Although I like the scent of real roses. Like you pick a flower, you smell a rose bush. Something about the artificial or the fake rose scent they put in products is so strong. So for me, not the best box, but I still got my $25 worth, and that's how I look at this. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.